Hey everybody, and welcome back to the Fox Shop Barbecue, where we do all of our smoking and grilling and making of foodstuffs right down here in the Fox Shop. And again, if you aren't familiar with what the Fox Shop is, this here is the Fox Shop, and the Fox Shop needs a little cleaning, but we're gonna go for it anyway. The Fox Shop is the name of my other YouTube channel, which is primarily an automotive channel. I've been working on the top of the 93 Ford Bronco that's sitting over in the other shop waiting to be painted once we get nicer weather. This truck's on the channel quite a bit. This is my 94 Ford F-150. And we do some other things from time to time, so if you think you might be interested in that kind of content as well, a link for my other channel, the Fox Shop, will be down in the description. But here today on the Fox Shop Barbecue, we're going to be making some wings again. This time we're going to be making some hot wings. So let me get things ready and I'll bring you back in. And of course I'm wearing gloves again because I don't have a sink down here in the shop, but at least they kind of match my sweatshirt. Anyway, I've got 2 packages of wingettes, the drummy and the flat. And it's just me here this weekend, so I doubt I'm going to eat all these, but one package I'm going to do hot wings, the other package I'm just going to smoke like I've done before. I've got my seasoning here, which is a little more salt and pepper, and then about the same amount of this Traeger chicken rub as pepper, maybe just a little bit more. And I'll link this down below in the description, again, because I really like this stuff. And once again, in the Fox Shop, got to use what we have here. Get into it, the chicken. Get the chicken out, put it in this bowl. And we'll get our seasoning on it. 1 package. I'm gonna have to wash my knife. Getting chicken juices all over it. Get them all separated into the bowl. These aren't partially frozen like the chicken legs that I did, because I just bought these this morning. So they've got a lot of flats in them. And like we've done before, just season these up. Making hot wings just myself here because my wife is not into the hot and spicy food. My daughter's starting to come around to that, but I don't think she would like them either. I've been wanting to try it and thought this was the perfect opportunity. So just get these good and coated. So let's get these good and coated, and then I'm gonna let them hang out in the fridge for a couple hours. Gotta go wash a couple racks, get the smoker going. And I'm gonna be eating good tonight. So I'm gonna get these covered up and in the fridge, and I'll bring you back in a couple hours. All right guys, heater's running in the background, so hope it doesn't interfere too much. But the smoker is up to temperature. I got some hickory wood on there. She's blowing some smoke. I'm gonna load it up with some wings now. And we're just gonna smoke these like normal right now. And then when they get close to being done, I'm gonna mix up the hot sauce, and I'll show you how I do that. It's gonna be a couple hours. But I'm gonna load these up, get them out on the smoker, and then we'll do the hot sauce. I'm hungry. All right, second rack of wings going on. Tell you what, there's a lot of wings in there. Usually get 3 packages on 3 racks, and I don't load them up this full. But we will get these on here. It'll take a couple hours. Yeah, maybe not a couple hours to get the hot sauce going, but probably a good hour and a half. We're gonna get these wings good and hot so the meat just falls off the bone. So probably when they hit about 170, 175, I'm gonna get them out of the smoker, and we're gonna put some hot sauce on them. And I'll show you how to make that super easy in just a minute. So once again, I will get this guy out. I'm gonna go probe one of the bigger chunks out there and see what we're at. I think it's about time to start whipping up some of the hot sauce here. But I love this thermometer thing, and I will link it down below in the description if you're interested. We'll stick this out in the one of the bigger chicken drummies out there. Turn this on. And we'll see what we're up to. Alright, so I have the probe in out there. Let's turn this guy on. And we're sitting at 158. So not quite time for the hot sauce yet. Probably going to be another half hour or so. So I will bring you back in when we do that. So we're up to 167. And I've got this fired up over here. I've got a little over half a stick of butter in here. And then we're going to add, I'm going to add 10, each one of these is 5 ounces, so I'm going to add both these bottles, 10 ounces of Frank's Red Hot Original hot sauce. I'll link that down below as well. Never used it before, but I tasted it and it's darn good. So we're going to add that in there, going to add a little bit of honey in here and some garlic. And that's going to be our hot sauce. So give me a little bit here. We're gonna melt this kind of slow and mix things together, and we're gonna have some hot wings here shortly. All right, we've got our butter going here. I'm gonna turn this down even more. We're gonna add some honey, a couple tablespoons of honey. I'm not measuring it out, I'm just eyeballing it here. And then we got to put our hot sauce in there. So here's one bottle going in. And the second bottle. We're also going to add a little bit of garlic in there. Not a whole lot, but a little bit. Okay, that's probably good right there. Get that all heated up and stirred up. Wings are about ready to come in and get dipped in this, and then they're going back on the smoker just for a little bit. Almost good to go here. Alright, so we've got our wings out here. This is all mixed up, ready to go. And all I'm going to do is I'm going to take these and I'm going to dunk them in here. Swish them all around. I'm going to put them back on the rack and then back on the smoker for just a little bit. Get them all covered up. Put them back on the rack. And then we're going to put them back on the smoker. So I'm going to finish up doing this and I'll bring you back in. Alright, so I've got these all covered up with the hot sauce. I gotta tell you, it smells really good. I'm ready to eat them right now, but I'm gonna go put them back on the smoker probably for another 20-25 minutes. Let them get up to about 190, 195, and then we'll pull them off. All right, guys, so here are the wings that don't have the hot sauce on them. I'm gonna put them over on this side. That one kind of pulled apart. And then I'm gonna bring the ones in with the hot sauce. So here are the ones that have the hot sauce on them. I'm gonna let these cool off just for a few minutes and then I will try one. All right, guys, I'm gonna try this one right here. The heater's just kicking on, so bear with me here, but wow. Oh man, those are awesome. I will definitely be making these again. Meat just falls off the bone. The hot sauce is it's strong, but it's not too much. Wow. Love it, love it. So guys, pretty much just like smoking wings, we smoked them with the seasoning that I put on there, salt, pepper, the Traeger chicken rub, and then right at the end I put the Frank's hot sauce on there with some honey and garlic. Awesome. I know I'll be eating these. I don't know if anybody else will, if my wife or kid will, but I will. These are really good. I'm gonna have another one right now. These are really good. You gotta try this, guys. If you like hot wings, these are perfect. Like burns a little bit right at first, and then it goes away. Absolutely awesome. I tell you what, I may eat this whole pan tonight. They're that good. This is really, really good. I'm really hungry. Absolutely phenomenal. If you're looking for a quick and easy hot wing recipe, that is it right there. It's absolutely perfect. It's hot, but it's not overpowering. So guys, I'm going to consume some chicken wings here. I highly recommend this, and I hope you liked this video. If you did, give it a big old thumbs up, comments down below, hit that subscribe button, and a little notification bell. That way you always know when I upload a video. I'm gonna eat, guys. This is too good to pass up. So I'll catch you next time. Bye-bye.